Hi guys, today we're gonna make the moist and flavorful banana bread. This is one of my favorite recipe, and so these are the ingredients that's needed. So in a bowl I've taken the all-purpose flour. To this I've added some baking soda, a pinch of salt. I've added a quarter teaspoon of a salt. Whenever you bake, add a pinch of salt. It just blooms the flavor. To this I've also added some baking powder. Mix it up really well, and we're going to keep this aside. So in a large bowl I've added overripe bananas. Remember guys, the more the bananas are ripe, it gives a nice taste and flavor. So mash them really well. I don't like big chunks, so I make sure I mash it really well. To this I've added some sugar. If you have brown sugar, that is well and good. Brown sugar gives nice taste and flavor. I've also added some melted butter. Whisk it up. So into this we're going to add 2 eggs. Once you add the eggs, whisk them really well. The eggs need to be combined really well. To this we're going to add a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Make sure it's a pure one, not the imitation one. And to this we've added a buttermilk. If you don't have a buttermilk, you can definitely use the sour cream, but buttermilk gives a nice flavor to it. Or if you don't have a sour cream, just use milk, whole milk. Yeah, that would work. So we're gonna add the flour mixture into the wet ingredients. Gently fold in the flour. Make sure you don't vigorously whisk them up, because that might, dry up the banana bread. So in order to get a moist banana bread, you need to gently fold in. Just fold in, just like that. We're going to add the remaining flour to this. If you need the detailed description and the measurements for this recipe, please visit my blog. I'm going to post it in the description box below. And if you have any comments or suggestions, you're most welcome. So I've gently folded in the flour mixture to the wet ingredient. Okay, so everything is combined really well. So I've taken about a quarter cup of sunflower seeds. Yeah, I like sunflower seeds in my banana bread, but the walnut works really well for this recipe, and an half a cup of chocolate chips. I've used a semi-sweet chocolate chips. You could use anything you like. My kids love when I add chocolate chips to the banana bread. So I've gently folded. So this is the perfect consistency for the banana bread. So I've greased and dusted a pan. You could use a loaf pan, that works really well. So to this we're going to add the batter. Just scoop out everything from the bowl. So this goes into a preheated oven of 350 Fahrenheit for about 50 to 55 minutes depending upon your oven. So there you have the most flavorful and moist banana bread. You could enjoy as it is, or you could have it like a breakfast bread, or you could also serve it as a dessert. Store them in an airtight container and you could enjoy, or as days goes by, it gets even more sweet and moist. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please subscribe to Livy's Gallery, and thank you for watching. You have a wonderful day. Bye.